What's up, guys? Welcome back to the G's Reaction channel. You feel me? I talk like a G's. And I talk like a G, smoke weed, you feel me? Anyway, guys, today's guest is gonna be sound of 2023 BMW M8 in black. I am in black, and the car is in black, and it's BMW. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Right into the video. Please subscribe. Come on, guys. More active, more active. Please show me some love. You feel me? Man, look at this car. All the chicks gonna be yours, man. For real, trust me. Guys, I want that. Please subscribe as soon as possible. I need to get monetized and to get one of those. Yeah, man. 10 out of 10. What can I say? 10 out of 10. You feel me? So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like it. See you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.